Hello everybody, I'm Dutch and I would like to show how to install the sidecar pocket onto the Chameleon Hammock. When you receive it, what you're going to get is a big pocket, and there's going to be a zipper, and the zipper has teeth on both sides. One side is going to have zipper pull and the other side is not. The side with the zipper pull is going to be the side that we're going to attach to the hammock. So first we want to get the pocket oriented right. We're going to put this right here. However, if I wanted to put this on the other side, all I have to do is turn it inside out, and then we will have the connecting D-rings on the outside again, and that will allow the zipper pull to be on the bottom. However, like I said, I'm going to have this on this side. So simply connect each zipper pull to a side just like I would when I'm changing a top. Make sure nothing's twisted. Now your pocket is installed. Now all we have to do is install the top cover or the bug net. The reason we make these out of bug netting is so that you're able to see what you're doing in here, which is very helpful. And your sidecar is now installed. Thank you, everybody.